In today's video, let's talk about on how to fix the MSI Afterburner not detecting our GPU. This is guide to everything. Let's get started. Now, the first reason why this is happening is because you have an outdated graphics drivers. Basically, with that, it cannot be detected on the MSI Afterburner itself. So the first fix is going to be heading over to your browser, and from here you then want to type the brand of your graphics card. So if you're using Nvidia, Intel, AMD, you can just type that right here. In my case, I'm using Nvidia, so I'll type Nvidia drivers on my search bar and then head over to the official driver updates for my specific graphics card. From there, another reason is because the low I/O power mode on the MSI Afterburner is enabled. With that, it will disable some settings on the MSI Afterburner, enabling it to simply communicate with our graphics card. So let's head over to the MSI Afterburner, and basically from here, click the gear icon. Now, in some interfaces, it will be on the middle of your screen, but generally you want to find the gear icon, which will then take us to the settings of our graphics card. From here, under the compatibility properties, we have enable low power IO driver. Make sure that this setting is disabled, making sure that it's blank, and then you want to click on the OK button and then restart your MSI Afterburner. And basically from there, this will help us connect our MSI Afterburner with our graphics card. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.